I did not see this, or I probably did, wasn't paying attention.
That's the VOC.
Yes, bro. First time seeing it in person.
That's what I really want my next car to be like. Well, y'all, it's just gonna be my next car.
Let it be your daily.
After my, let it be what?
Your daily.
I can't even daily my motherfucking
But nah, for real, bro, you got it, cause boy, what? Oh yeah, most definitely.
I want white, red interior, or anything with red interior.
Type is. You can't forget the badge. Can't forget that one. You know it's official. You know it's official. The orange seat belts, I ain't gonna lie, that's hard. That's hard. The orange seat belts. That's funny. Bro, the orange seat belt's hard as hell. I ain't even peeped that.
I was customizing one of them.
Damn. Yeah, he gone. Dang.
I bet
He sure did, bro. Damn. My GT brother.
The orange one?
Yeah, the orange one and the old DLC was waiting, so they're both leaving.
Got another V. Man. Damn, these cars.
That was half throttle.
Yeah.
I'm scared. They ain't
Nah,
on
for
that.
real.
Hit it. You gotta hit it. HELLCAT what?
Nah, for real, bro. I wanted to your one.
I wanna hear this black noise.
Oh, here we go. Right here, too.
Gotta hit it. Get on it, get on it, go.
Damn.
Ah, I knew they was gonna be on that. I'm about to come past here and do a roll and burn on.
Shit, fuck's sake.
Where that guy greaser? We're over here. Yeah, so much on the track. I was like, keep our knowledge. Is that the Infinity? I think so. Oh, it's the motherfucker that almost pulled us over. What? That is
what I was talking about. Woo, that shit's so clean, bro.
He gotta come on.
Bro, that's my fucking dream car right there. That bitch so
That'd be like 130.
man. You gonna hit that motherfucker? C8. Oh shit.
Look at him. He's down there.
There he is.
God, go. Go, please, go.
Oh yeah, he better get the fuck on.
No. No.
Damn. Damn.
No.
Bro. He better leave his bro. I don't think he know he getting chased, bro.
Exactly. I would have got right on that highway.
No, for real. Cause he really can too. Oh shit, HELLCAT. He better pull out. He got to. He got to. Man.
Bullshit, dog. For real. I knew they was gonna do that shit.
Man, that's crazy. I ain't see them motherfuckers till you said it. Man. Oh, he want to see.
What was giving him?
They
helped like 600 That's how I be. Okay. He won.
Probably did. Yeah, because he ain't. That's a classic.
Somebody pull up on you at nighttime with that.
Nah, for real, I'm scared.
Be scared. No cap. I love it.
Damn.
That's one of my favorite Fords right there.
That bitch hard. That's a Shelby, ain't it? I'm jumping over that bitch.
Oh, I ain't think I run it back. I'm gonna be fucked up.
Man.
Might need to go back.
Probably, yeah.
Damn, I knew that was gonna happen, bro.
Good thing we ain't leave early. Damn, that fan was on. Damn, supercharged.
He didn't take me.
For real.
Man. Bro,
These niggas here, dog. Bro, these niggas.
you heard that?
Hell yeah, I heard that gay ass shit.
I know you guys know English. Come on, let's go. You know I'm not English.
Be careful, Ron. Bro, the wheel tall as me. Damn, look how big the wheel is. This shit come to my chest. I don't know what this is.
Okay, I was saying.
Damn. It's literally where my head is. It's a big ass truck. Damn. These bitches, for real. I climb in that motherfucker.
I know the gas. Bro, hey, I ain't gonna lie. You got like.
Oh, he come in.
My shit not loud. It's mid. That's a dog one. That's a fire flip.
Oh yeah, that lane. He down there. Let's get on the freeway.
Ah, here.
He fine, huh?
He's smart though.
Hell yeah.
Boys.
All right, they go.
Getting my shit to the floor on that nigga.
Nah, bro. I mean, shit, if you do, I support you, but don't do this shit. You gonna make me go viral if you do that shit. It ain't worth it.
It ain't worth it.
It ain't worth it, bro. We don't need you going to jail tonight. Hey, right here is free game though. That nigga out the car. Hell yeah, that nigga out the car. They can do what the fuck they want. They better take advantage while that nigga out.
Hey, roll the burnout.
Hey, that make that truck look small. Damn, that shit look small compared to this big ass truck.
You can't fuck that bitch.
Man. what's going on first. Alright, so that's kind of the end of the meet. About to be the end of the video too. I might get them a little pool. If I do, that's about it. I ain't doing no burn other than police over here, so that's the most I'll probably do, is to do a little pool. That's the end of me. It's like, I think it ends at 10, I think. But I got some good footage, so out here at the right time. I ain't know about it. I watched Naran's story. Watched Out the Way story. He was like, cars and coffee. I'm like, oh shit, where is it? But alright.
Niggas, no, I don't need nobody, that's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody, that's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turned shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want feelings?